Hmm. I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 17:31. Look, Chandra and Handore, the witchcraft which is spread through land server, and that the some evil witch of that, what do you call it, that parent control, which has spread so widely, so badly, and what do you call it, environment has got destroyed. My life, they were trying to destroy, but they exposed their everything. So at what level, it would, if it would have been a normal theft, I would have let it go. I repeat it again, I would have let it go. If it would have been a theft, I would have let it go. What they will do, those are the written material, huh? Those are not the frames. I got the frames, huh? I work in I know how to direct movies. I know how to, and the world knows I make movies. Getting this part. So the matter is, that's just the written material. That's a raddi for me after the shoot. Getting this part. So if it would have been only the theft, I would have let things go. But they have spoiled the environment. They have, what do you call it? Their cruelty came out towards the races, towards the environment, towards me as well. They tried killing me. They tried killing me. They killed my friend just because he worked in Devil Rocky. And it's a synopsis of Content Streets. So they killed him. Their cruel intentions came out towards everyone. What do you call it? As if those are the only beings should be, what do you call it, should live in this world. Rest are all insects. How would anyone think like this? How could anyone think like this? So for their, what do you call it, their need, their thing, and they have a mentality as if those are the only humans and rest are all the insects. And who are those prostitutes of Chandra and Andore? So that's why the one who was spoiling the environment will take care of them. That's why the copyright thing, the country, because they wanted to spoil it in such a bad way, you have no clue. So I could see clearly what was going to happen, and now things have changed.